First, cheers to us.
Cheers to us and our first Thanksgiving in our new apartment.
Let's dig in, buffet style.
I'll just take that entire thing of green bean casserole. It's not going to be as good as my mother-in-law's, though, I'll tell you what. Would you like a piece of cornbread?
Yes, please. Normally turkey breast, but we're doing turkey thigh. Can I give you this turkey thigh?
I will certainly take the big turkey. When in the colonies.
Sweet potato casserole.
Yep, just here, please.
Yes.
Speaking of southern style, where's my mac and cheese gonna go? Corn pudding?
Yes, please.
It's not Thanksgiving without mac and cheese. Oh, my wife knows how to look after me.
Squishy one in here. Stuffing.
Oh, I love a good stuffing.
Yes, over here.
How come you still have space on your plate? Do you want
more? Yes.
Goodness. I hope there's gonna be some left for me. Wow.
I'm very particular about where my gravy falls.
I am. All over me.
Doing it in
I
a
say
serving
that.
cup. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all! We thought we would show you what is a Southern Thanksgiving. So we started our day by watching the Macy State Parade in New York.
Watching bands run is so funny.
Why?
It's like the most American thing in the world.
A marching band?
Yeah, there's nothing more American than a marching band.
Then the dog show. I want the little black one.
The miniature pool.
What's that?
Frisee. The Cotano.
Oh, look at that damage.
The Dalmatians.
Yes, there's the Mexican Arrows dog.
Mmm.
I know. I'm in the corn pudding. What are you in?
Yes.
The green bean casserole.
Of course. Green bean casserole
Mmm.
is the best thing America's ever done for the world.
Tell me as you're tasting stuff what you're thinking.
I just want to keep eating green bean casserole.
So green bean casserole is a staple. I don't know if it's necessarily Southern or just a Thanksgiving staple in general, but it is here.
It's basically green beans, mushroom soup, crispy onions on top. It sounds terrible, but it's the best thing ever. Sweet potato casserole. So you take a sweet potato, and then you add tons of brown sugar, and then you top it with marshmallows. The first Thanksgiving I ever went to with Belle's family, I swear.
You thought we were just messing with you.
I thought they would just made it up. It was like the best thing ever. The only sad thing about it is, you can't actually taste the sweet potato. All you taste is the sugar and the marshmallows. Nobody tastes the sweet potato. So have you tried your mac and cheese yet? Oh, look at that one. Is that a farfalle pasta?
Yeah, I prefer a bow tie over an elbow. Call it what you may, but it's life changing.
That is naughty, that. Good taste.
If you're not making your mac and cheese homemade, don't serve it. Mac and cheese has to be homemade, and it needs to be Southern style, which means excessive cheese, excessive heavy cream, and excessive cheese sauce.
That heavy cream, man. Inspired. Corn pudding's a bit weird.
But so good.
It's not porridge, is it? But it's got that kind of consistency.
It just reminds me of my childhood. I'm going to my grandma's and then making corn pudding. It's just like,
I'm still not 100% sold on it.
I don't think that you necessarily will get it anywhere but in some Southern homes. Cornbread?
Cornbread, have you tried any yet?
I'm about to now.
That was the hardest thing to make today.
Well, we didn't have our loaf pan, so we did it in another dish, and it turned out.
It ended up deeper than it should have been, so it took a lot longer to cook. That is pretty good.
Even more honey
Oh yeah.
on top.
Yeah. God. Stuffing. I don't care what anyone says.
This cranberry sauce.
Yeah, the cranberry sauce is pretty good. Man, I'm full.
I know we haven't even tried the turkey. So if you do not in America, because you thought I was joking earlier, and then you found out the hard way, pal, you have to hunt for a turkey early, and you have to get it early, or else it is gone. And so we got like the last turkey thighs known to the planet of the planet. That was really good, Ann.
This is all really good. I think I was kidding about the marshmallows. All that white.
So what do you want to give thanks to? You always have to say what you give thanks to. You normally go around the table. Obviously, it's a huge gathering. We were meeting my family for Thanksgiving on a different day. So, what do you give thanks to this year, love?
I'll give thanks to you because you're top class. Give thanks to the boys as well. They've helped a lot this year. I don't need a million things to be grateful for. I'm just happy to be here. What about you?
And I think I'm just thankful to be here with you and working towards like common dreams. You know, this coming year. Now into the coming year, and just thankful that we're like doing that together and we're in this together with our boys.
Yeah, I'm still not sold on the corn pudding, Matt. It's just if I have the choice, I'll eat something else.
Well, you can't eat just green bean casserole.
I'm American, I have rights.
We did great.
Yeah, we did. Do you want the good news? We've got leftovers for days. As does the entirety of America. I'm going to need me some more green bean casserole in there.
I'm full.
I've not even started my turkey yet. I'm having a vegetarian Thanksgiving dinner.
Right.
Obviously, I'm going to have some melted marshmallows with my turkey. And it's amazing.
Why not take y'all to America? Southern Thanksgiving.
So, like, on the West Coast, do you think people have a massively different Thanksgiving?
I am interested. And it's really good to have Thanksgiving meal for the afternoon, and then you eat it for lunch, and then you graze through the day.
Yeah. That's kind of like how my family did Christmas dinner. This is prime fry-up material.
Prime what?
Fry-up?
Oh, you're gonna mix it all together.
So you chop it into like bite-sized chunks,
Yeah.
and then you warm it up in a pan, and then you chuck a couple of eggs in it. And it's amazing.
So we're gonna keep finishing our Thanksgiving. But we just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving to you guys. Thanks so much for coming and joining us. Bye, y'all.
Bye!
Grand job.
Man, them marshmallows,
What?
they're so good. Like, I'm excited for this bit. I've got my hand on it.
The longer you keep it settled, the more impossible it is to get off.
I know.
Now's the perfect time, or it won't happen.